Hold on both buttons while the light is on, and then your light will drop to 1%. As you increase, it'll take you up by 1% increments to 10%. The third mode is optical slave mode. To enter this mode, simply hold on the plus button for 3 seconds. The light will turn off. Now, anytime it detects a change in light, it will flash with your other lighting devices. Number 4, the best way to charge your Lume Cube 2.0. Locate the charging port on back, insert the USB-C cable, and once you plug it in, you'll see a blinking red light. That means your light is charging. Once it is a solid green light, that means your light is fully charged. One thing to note about charging your Lume Cube 2.0 is the only cable that will work is a USB-A to a USB-C cable. We recommend charging your 2.0 periodically to get the most out of your battery life. Meaning, if you leave it sitting around for a month, then decide to take it out, it might not be charged. So recharge it before you go out on your next shoot. The fifth and final step is how to connect your Lume Cube 2.0 to the Lume X Bluetooth app. So simply download the Lume X app to your iPhone or Android, turn your Lume Cube 2.0 on, and up will pop a registration screen. Simply enter in your information, press OK. Once you're connected, now you can control your lighting from your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching the video. We hope this helped you learn a little bit more about your Lume Cube 2.0. If there's anything we didn't cover, please reach out to support@lumecube.com and we'd be happy to help.